How to make a tassel. Add the finishing touches to your project with a tassel or two. They're fun to make and perfect for using up your yarn scraps. Start by cutting out a square piece of cardboard. Ours measures 12 cm by 12 cm. Top tip: you can change the size of the finished tassel by cutting a smaller or larger cardboard template. Wrap your yarn around the cardboard between 22 and 25 times. Both the beginning of the yarn tail and the end should be at the bottom of the card. Now cut the yarn. Then, thread a scrap piece of yarn under your wraps of yarn and pull it to the top of the cardboard. Tie a knot to secure the yarn bundle. Cut the loops of yarn at the bottom and remove the cardboard. Tie another piece of yarn around the top end of the yarn loops, just below where you tied the bundle together. To finish your tassel neatly, give it a trim and a shake. Using a sewing needle, you can now attach the tassel to your project.